Welcome back. All right, what's up, YouTube family? It's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch. Thank you for tuning in. Tonight we're adjusting Melissa. She's awesome. She is a special ed teacher at the local school, and man, that takes just a huge heart and service attitude and one of love. So. Thank you for being our model tonight.
Thanks for having me.
Melissa's been a patient for years. Just did her 2 children. Her older son is away at school, so but he comes in as well. And he's an amazing athlete, and so is his daughter and academic son. I mean, just a wonderful family. So, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Cool. How are you feeling? How's your head?
A little stiff. Yeah, my neck and my back definitely from a lot of lifting this week. So I'm moving kids around. So.
Yeah. All right, cool. God bless you. All right, facing down. Let's get to work. Man, you weren't kidding.
Mm-hmm.
Right off the bat, it's super easy to feel this change in muscle tissue here, this tightness, this fixation of the segments as well. So we'll fix all that though. So nice you're here. Thank you for coming in.
Happy to be here. I needed it.
How's your hips?
A little stiff down there too. It's definitely like an all over thing this time.
All teachers, there are certain things that are not like jobs. They're more of a vocation, a mission. Right? Teaching is definitely one of them. Special ed teacher, definitely one of them. Nursing, that's another. It's not a job. It's a vocation. So I thank you all for what you do. I volunteered in church, for a couple years doing kids camp, and after I asked the kid if he had coffee and donuts for breakfast, and it was like, "What's wrong with your brain?" I was like, maybe I'm not gifted, to do that. So that was my last year. Beautiful. I always joke about it. I can't even yell at the kids. Not that I yell at my kids. All right, deep breath in, and let it all the way out. Perfect. We'll have to wrestle for that one. I don't think it'll move this way. Beautiful. Here. Okay, turn and face me on your side. Perfect. All right, flip all the way over. Look, I'm tripping here. Oh my God, that'll be great on the video. It's been a long day.
Can imagine.
Thank God. Oh, beautiful. Well, thank God I love what I do. All right, go on your back, please. Beautiful. Beautiful. Even down. Okay, let's try hugging. We'll see if we can get these. Nope. Nothing. We'll wrestle for him. Don't worry. How's your husband? How's Chris?
Good. He's behaving.
Is he?
I'm trying.
All right. I can't even remember if I don't know. Has he ever come in?
I don't think
maybe
yeah,
once.
Yeah. He needs to.
Mm-hmm. Typical men.
Yeah.
There is, statistics don't lie. The average life expectancy for men is 4 years less than women. Women definitely engage in their health. And I know that's a stereotype. There are certain men that really do a great job, but the vast majority, Yeah, there's other things, like we take more risks, we drive faster, we do silly things, go on the roof, ladders, whatever. But, we do have to pick it up a notch. We gotta watch what we eat, we gotta engage in some exercise, we do some stretching and get adjusted, okay? Let's go, man. Stop slacking. Perfect.
Oh, Fred.
Same, we're gonna hold these knots here right at the base of your skull. Two tennis balls in a sock. All right, you can probably find that laying around the house.
Mm-hmm.
It's a great therapy tool. Perfect. All right, come on up. Let's try to soften these muscles here. Helping and serving the kids is wonderful, but it's rough on your body.
It definitely is.
Okay, let me have this hand, chicken wing it. Yeah, you don't have to go too crazy there. That's pretty good motion. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Couple of trigger points in there. Right underneath that shoulder blade. Perfect. Okay, let it go. Come across. Perfect. Okay, rest. Your left side isn't as bad. Nice. Good. All right, let me have that left hand. Perfect. Okay, I need you to stand facing away. So this wrestling move is a standing traction adjustment. It's really for these couple of segments up top here, T1, T2, T3. All right, put your hands on top of mine. Stand nice and tall, even look up. Perfect. So I'm lifting her up. My sternum is pushing closer to anterior, and we can move these segments. She's strong, got a lot of good muscle up here. And when that muscle contracts, it shortens and it smacks these joints together, which makes it difficult to move. And you can get them to move, but you have to, I don't know, you really have to force them to move, which I don't like to do. I find this move to be much easier, and it doesn't hurt either. Some of the moves where you force these to move, it kind of hurt. I don't like them. I used to get them done to me all the time by my chiropractor, and I would complain. Beautiful. Perfect. All right, have a seat for a sec. Maybe I can walk around the table without tripping this time. Oh, much better. Softened up already. Super healthy. Beautiful. All right, thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Melissa, for being our model tonight. Thank you for bringing the kids in, even without filming. I mean, she brings them in, since they were little because, she knows it's an important part of, staying well. All right. So thank you. Keep liking, subscribing, tuning in. All right. See you soon. Bye.